In this video we're going to look at an activity 5.3.9. It's called backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. And we're going to look at the objectives. They're asking save the current running configuration to the startup configuration, back up the configuration to a TFTP server. So if we more look into this, we will be saving the configuration to Cisco 1841 ISR to a remote TFTP server. Backing up the configuration is an important step in the setup of Cisco router. Having a backup allows you to perform rapid recovery after hardware or configuration errors. So it's important. So we'll just look at on how to do that. We'll go through the steps. And step 1 is save the running configuration to startup configuration. So we'll look at that. What we're going to do first is go into the PC customer PC. We can start from there. Go in here, desktop. We're going to go to terminal. Click OK and enter to get started. From here, the password is Cisco. We're going to enable the router, customer router. Cisco again. And from here, we're going to do a copy running configuration setup. So we'll just type that in right now. We're going to say yes to this and go enter. And then what we're going to do is ping the customer. So we'll do the ping 192.168.1.10. Okay, so far so good. Got a success rate of 100%, 5 out of 5. And we'll save that progress so far. And how to do that, we'll do copy startup config again. Okay. To the TFTP server. And from here we will put the server address. And then say yes on that by entering. Okay, we are at the test the backup configuration. So what we're going to do right now, exit out of that, and we're going to check the service local server. Click in here. We're going to go to config. We're going to check, make sure everything's on. Looks good. Okay. Go out of that. And then we'll go right back into the PC. So now we're going to do step 3s. Go back into the PC. Go back to terminal. It's okay. Here we are. Saved our stuff. Okay, good. Here, and then for step 3, test the backup configuration. So we're going to do erase the setup configuration file on the customer router. So to do that, we're going to type in erase setup or startup config. So do that. confirm that by pressing enter. And then here we're going to do reload. Enter, confirm that, press enter. Confirming all that, what we just did. And from here you can type in no or n. And then enter. Okay, now that we're in the router, we are in the router. So from here in the router, we're going to type in all this information. Just following the steps here. Okay, so we're going to enable router config. Instead of typing that configuration terminal, you can actually type in conf space T for short. And then interface, type this in, and you can actually do int for interface, fa 0/0, enter, then the IP address, IP space 192.0. Okay. From here we're going to do a no shutdown. Yep, no shutdown. Okay. Interface again. Yep, we're going to enter that. You can either type it in either way, works for you. And we'll do space and then do server. But we do S for server 0/0/0. Enter, and then do no shutdown again. Enter, and then let it think for a minute. See if we can end this right here. For the router, we want to ping the router. See where we are. Let that think. So far, what it's going to say, also the steps, is that it's 80% for the 5 round trip, and so we want to get to 100%. So we're going to do the copy and startup configuration file stored on the TFTP server to running configuration to customer router. So we'll just go the steps to fix this and make it to 100%. Okay, so we're going to do copy for the router. We're going to do copy TFTP space running dash config enter. Right here we're going to do the IP address. And then do file name. We want to put in customer router. customer. Let's see if we need to capitalize. Check if we gotta capitalize. Yeah. Customer router dash config, but with a G instead of spelling it out. Enter destination, and to confirm that, press enter. And enter. From here, we're going to do a F right here. Do the copy and the stored running configuration. So we'll just copy running config startup dash config, enter to confirm that, and then we're going to ping. And so far, there we go. That's how we fix it to 100%. We'll check our results. Congratulations, completed. Thanks for watching this video.